Now let's meet Ella. Originally from Portland, Oregon, but with family roots right here in Ohio, Ella was looking for a university experience that emphasized and partnered with the community while offering plenty of cultural opportunities across the region. What better place to find that than right here in Athens? Right, Ella?
Thanks, Alex. I've always been passionate about my education. While my hometown is Portland, Oregon, my parents grew up here, and I wanted to spend the next stage of my life connecting with my Ohio roots. As a recreation management student with the Patton College of Education, I've been working with the Athens County Convention and Visitors Bureau in events and marketing, giving me a hands-on opportunity to use and expand my skills. The most exciting part has been planning local events like the Taste of Athens County Food Festival, from the ideation to the planning process, something I never thought I'd be doing as a student. Not only do university jobs and placements provide opportunities for leadership roles and growth, I've also met so many lifelong friends. Beyond unique internship placements, Ohio University has many other experiential opportunities for students, such as the Bobcat Seed Fund. Since 2018, any Bobcat entrepreneur can apply for a grant to begin or grow their own venture, giving Ohio students the opportunity to jumpstart their future career. In my spare time, I enjoy the university-owned Athena Cinema, a movie theater just a short walk from campus. The cinema is currently in their 9th year of showing the Sustainability Series in partnership with the Environmental Studies program and university libraries, among other groups. The series offers free admission to informative films and provides space for discussion among students and community members. The Athena also hosts the Athens International Film and Video Festival, in association with the university and many other community groups. Thanks. The festival provides a platform for underrepresented filmmakers and unique viewpoints, from short form to documentaries. When I began my education at Ohio University, I'd never imagined myself where I am now. I went from being an undecided freshman to a senior with unique learning experiences and plenty to build up my resume. Thanks to my time here, I feel more deeply connected than ever to my family, my roots, and my future career. That's all from me. On with the show, Alex.
Thanks, Ella. It's so cool to hear how Ohio University gave you the chance to feel more connected to your family, your community, and your future.